Liberty Walk has become synonymous with creating some of the most dramatic and wide-body kits for muscle cars, and the Dodge Challenger has been one of its longtime projects. For nearly a decade, the Japanese tuning company has been offering its wide-body kits for the iconic American muscle car, enhancing both its style and performance. Although the Challenger has recently been replaced by the electric Charger in Dodge's lineup, Liberty Walk continues to craft kits for this beloved muscle car, keeping the legend alive. One of the most recent projects to catch attention is the wide-body kit fitted to the Challenger, or /T. This kit gives the car a look that rivals the ferocity of the Hellcat Widebody. However, what makes Liberty Walk's approach unique is how they transform the Challenger into an even more aggressive and head-turning machine. If you've been dreaming of owning a Challenger that stands out from the crowd, but find the Hellcat's price tag a bit too steep, this Liberty Walk kit might just be the perfect solution. The modifications on this Challenger, or /T, are nothing short of dramatic. The most noticeable change is the wide-body stance that is achieved by fitting bolt-on fender flares. These flares dramatically widen the arches, giving the car a broader, more muscular appearance. The fender flares are not body-colored, but rather finished in a matte black, which adds to the aggressive look. The wider stance gives the car a more purposeful and commanding presence on the road, with a feel that's akin to a full-fledged race car. Liberty Walk doesn't stop there. They've also added a front lip that attaches to the original front bumper, enhancing the car's aerodynamics and completing its bold look. The front lip is subtle yet impactful, creating an even more aggressive front end that complements the wide-body modifications. To further emphasize the car's sportiness, a rear ducktail-inspired spoiler has been added. The spoiler not only enhances the aesthetics, but also adds functionality by improving downforce, making the car more stable at high speeds. While these exterior modifications already make a massive visual impact, Liberty Walk knows that a true wide-body creation needs to have the right stance. That's why the company highly recommends adding an air suspension kit. This allows the car's ride height to be lowered, giving it an even more dramatic appearance when parked. Lowering the car to the ground makes it look like it's ready to attack the road at any moment. Of course, such a low ride height isn't practical for daily driving, but it's perfect for showcasing the car at car shows or for impressing anyone who sees it in the garage. To complete the look and ensure the car handles like a true wide body, Liberty Walk has also installed a set of custom 20-inch wheels. These aren't just any wheels. They're 11 inches wide at the front and a massive 12 inches at the rear, giving the car the stance it deserves. Wrapped in Pirelli P0 tires, these wheels tuck neatly under the fender flares when the air suspension is lowered. These custom wheels contribute to the overall performance of the Challenger, offering both aesthetic appeal and functionality. The wider tires offer more grip and better handling, perfect for a car that's meant to turn heads. While these modifications may make the Challenger or /T a showstopper, they come at a cost. Driving this car at such a low ride height isn't the most practical solution for everyday use, as it can lead to scraping or difficulty in navigating certain road conditions. However, if you're looking to make a bold statement at a car show or want to experience a muscle car with extreme customization, this Liberty Walk creation is the way to go. With its aggressive wide-body kit, air suspension, and custom wheels, the Liberty Walk Challenger is the ultimate statement car for anyone who wants to showcase their love for American muscle and Japanese tuning. While the Challenger might be phased out, creations like these ensure that the legacy of this iconic muscle car continues to live on.